I also just realized you could do that cute Lady and the Tramp thing. You know? That would be a good idea. That's cute. I have no tripod today, but we will make do. Has this already been an annoying day? Yes, it has. Valentine's Day is coming up. Who cares? I don't care, but whatever. If you want to do something special for your boo thing, for your sweet honey boo thing, how about making them a meal? You know, how about a 3-course meal, like a salad, an entree, and a dessert? Or you want to impress yourself. You want to make a comforting meal for yourself and then stuff your face and watch a K-drama on the couch. That's fine too. Whatever you want to do, but I hope that you eat good food on Valentine's Day. Everyone deserves to eat well on Valentine's Day. So today, I'm going to show you just that. A simple salad, an entree, and a dessert. It's gonna be really simple, pretty basic, but basic ain't bad. It's gonna appear very impressive, and who knows, maybe you'll get laid. Oh my god. Yes, I have an apron. You need to see the whole thing, hold on. Me. Woo! Oh my god. Ooh. So for the first course, chicken Caesar salad. Caesar salad is typically made with, as we all know, iceberg lettuce or romaine lettuce, but like, lettuce, girl, I love you, I respect you, but like, sometimes you're just crunchy water to me, you know? So instead of lettuce, I'm gonna use kale. It's significantly higher in vitamins A, C, K, good source of calcium and fiber. The color is just bolder, catches your eye, you know? You walk by and you're like, ooh, what would it be? You know what I mean? Whatever. And I forgot to buy croutons because I'm an idiot. So I'm just gonna cut up a piece of bread and then just toast that shit. Listen, I've had 5 sips of a beer and I'm already cursing. Oh my god. Okay, croutons. Toasted. Moving on to the kale. I just poured out my already chopped up shredded kale. You are not in the right mind if you just straight up eat kale like this. If people think this is how you eat kale, just like raw, girl, don't do it. Don't do that. You gotta get to know her. And then you gotta ask her consent to be massaged. Once you've done that, make sure your hands are washed. We're gonna drizzle some olive oil. Baby. And massage her. This really softens the kale, makes it a bit more palatable, easier to eat, just so it doesn't taste so like raw and gnarly tasting, you know? Now look at her. Right? I have some leftover chicken. I also have some hard parm here. And I just take like a potato peeler. I like when the slices are like this. So then you just assemble, right? You take your croutons, chicken that you want. Yes, I store-bought Caesar dressing. Nothing wrong with that. Drizzle, 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 drizzle. Toss her. Some freshly ground pepper. And yo, there you go. I think the color is a lot more eye-catching than with iceberg lettuce. Boom, course 1, donezo. For the main entree, we're gonna make aglio e olio.
Aglio e olio.
Oh, she says it too white. Aglio e olio. Please don't make me say it again. This is really embarrassing. Very minimal ingredients. I'm gonna say there's about 6 ingredients, and you probably have at least 3 of them already in your pantry. Spaghetti, garlic, lemon, parsley, olive oil, red pepper flakes. That's it. That's it. While your water is boiling and it's heavily salted, I took about half a head of garlic and peel it, and you're gonna thinly slice it. Don't dice it, thinly slice it. And then you're gonna dice the parsley really, really finely. So once your water is boiling, pour in your pasta and cook according to its instructions. Once the pasta is just about to be cooked, in a pan, heat up about half a cup of olive oil. And once that olive oil is nice and shimmery, add in that garlic and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Add in your cooked pasta. I would also add maybe about like a tablespoon of that pasta water. That starchy water really helps the noodles and the sauce to really combine and stick together. And then you're gonna add in your parsley and stir, stir, stir. Squeeze in the juice of half of a lemon and serve. My God. Are you kidding me? Honestly. What the hell? Okay, on to dessert. Let's get it. Okay, the best part, dessert. I also realized I was wearing my apron backwards this whole time. I should stop drinking. For dessert, we're gonna do a chocolate chip cashew cookie cooked in a skillet. So I cook like a lot of different things in this cast iron, chicken, pork, things like that. There were still some like pork remnants on there. To get rid of it, I just poured water and then boiled it and scraped off some of the bits. And then I put some coconut oil to re-lubricate her. Wow, I'm really like going for this Valentine's theme here. Oh my God. Like, can I stop being so gross? Okay, we're gonna start by preheating our oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. For wet ingredients, an egg, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1/4 of a cup of melted coconut oil, 1/3 of a cup of creamy cashew butter. I couldn't find a container of cashew butter, so I just bought like all the sample sizes of cashew butter, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a tablespoon of unsweetened almond milk. And then we're gonna whisk all those things together. And you don't have to use cashew butter if you don't want to. You could substitute that with any nut butter, peanut butter, almond butter. What all the wet ingredients should look like. As far as dry ingredients, we're gonna be using a cup of almond flour, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Going to just roughly chop up some dark chocolate. You could use dark chocolate chips too as well. It's been shown that dark chocolate contains antioxidants, which has been shown to help with your heart health. So especially if you're a chocolate lover like me, I would definitely try to consume more dark chocolate if you can. So this is what your batter should look like, folded in with your chocolate chunks. So the recipe says to cook for about 19 minutes on an 8 to 9 inch skillet. I believe mine is 10 inches. My batter's gonna be a little bit thinner, and I think I'm gonna cook it, let's try for like 15 minutes, just a little bit less time. And then you're gonna broil it for about a minute and a half, just so it gets really nice, toasty, light brown. So I baked my cashew cookie in a 10-inch cast iron skillet for 16 minutes, and then broiled it for about 2 minutes. And it got perfectly toasty brown. Assembling. Are you kidding me? If someone presented me with this, I think like I would marry them on the spot. Like this is, I just topped it with vanilla ice cream, actually non-dairy vanilla frozen dessert, whatever. And I have these little dark chocolate heart cookies. So I just showed you 3 simple yet really impressive dishes to make a 3-course meal to impress yourself, or to impress your boo thing, or to impress your family. Food is an incredible way to show someone you love them. And it's even better when you say that you made it with your own 2 hands, you know? Have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Te amo, 사랑해요, mahal kita. Love you.